Hello everyone. Look at this great product. It's not an ordinary product. It's a customized heat pump built for one of our overseas customers.
Before joining us, the customer visited more than 10 heat pump manufacturers across China and spent over 2 months comparing different solutions.
Why was it so special? Just because that was the renovation equipment for an old building.
The existing radiator system had to stay. The piping could not be changed. Standard heat pumps could not meet the requirements simply.
That's the reason why they chose Airosd.
Our R&D team spent 2 weeks developing a tailor-made solution for this project. The result is a powerful customized heat pump built specifically for high-temperature radiator heating. 180 kilowatts heating capacity, full DC inverter, 6 independent compressors, high-efficiency V-shaped heat exchanger, stable 75 degrees Celsius hot water.
And Airosd, we not only manufacture heat pumps, but also we provide engineering solutions for high challenging projects.
If standard products can't solve your project, let us build one that can.
Airosd, your challenge, our solution.